How to choose the right rain test chamber. First, certified compliance. Strictly adheres to IEC 60529 standards, ensuring test reports are authoritative and regularized. Second, intelligent control. Clear parameter settings with automatic PID regulated pressure and flow. Eliminates manual adjustments and human error. Third, diagnostic visibility. Integrated fault detection and functional controls on one interface. Troubleshoot faster and minimize downtime. Fourth, life cycle efficiency. Built-in water recycling reduces consumption, and modular design saves valuable lab space. Need a professional testing solution? Contact us for expert support.